Hey guys, here's your 1-minute tutorial. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the 4 most commonly used chords in major. What do I mean by that? I mean the 1 major, 5 major, 6 minor, and the 4 major. So for example, if you're in the key of C, that would be C. Then you count up 5 steps from C, C, D, E, F, G. 6 steps from C, C, D, E, F, G, A minor. Remember, it's a minor chord. And then 4 steps from C, C, D, E, F, F. So those are your 4 most commonly used chords. Such a beautiful song. Wish I knew how to write beautiful songs. Now I know. And you can do this in any key. It could be in G, D, E minor, and C. Okay, there's your 1-minute tutorial. If you have any questions, comment below. Take care. Bye.